In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho People, which is an essential skill for managing your organization's human resources efficiently. Let's dive straight into the process. First, open your web browser and head over to Zoho's website. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools Zoho has to offer, including their People module. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your account. You'll see the sign in option prominently displayed. Click on it and enter your credentials. Make sure your login information is correct to avoid any unnecessary delays in signing in. Once you've logged in, navigate to Zoho Home. This is like the command center where you can access all the different modules and features Zoho provides. Now find and click on People. This section is dedicated to everything related to your employees, from their personal information to their work details, and it's where we'll be working today. After clicking on People, your next move is to locate the Organization section. This is where you manage the organizational aspects of your employee records. Go ahead and click on Organization. Within this section, you should see several options related to employee management. Now it's time to click on Employee. This option provides you with functionalities to view, edit, and manage employee details. Once you're in the employee section, find and click on Add Employee. This is the feature we need to add a new employee to your system. When you click on this, you'll be prompted to enter relevant details about the new employee. Make sure to fill out all necessary fields carefully, such as name, department, and contact information. Take your time while adding each detail to ensure accuracy and completeness. Accurate data entry is crucial as it helps in maintaining an efficient and error-free employee database. After you've entered all the required information, look for any optional fields that might be relevant to your organization's needs. These could include areas like reporting manager, job title, or any custom fields you've set up for your organization. Once you've reviewed everything and ensured all is correct, submit the information. Depending on your organization's setup, this might also require an approval process, so be prepared for that step if necessary. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new employee to Zoho People. This process not only helps in efficiently managing your workforce, but also ensures that all employee data is securely stored in one accessible location. Remember, managing human resources efficiently is key to organizational success, and tools like Zoho People make that task much more manageable. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher on adding employees to Zoho People.